So in terms of how we created our idea, I just researched a bunch of problems in the UAE. So it was like congestion, waste generation and everything. But we couldn't really generate an idea from that. So we researched existing things that the UAE has done for sustainability and thought about improving it. So our main idea is to use AI to detect like the maximum accumulation of sand on the panel before efficiency is impacted so that we can clean accordingly, which maximizes efficiency and saves resources.
So to start the project, we used a Tinkercad website where we used an Arduino base and an online simulation and wrote C++ code, including a 3D model to get an idea on what the project would look like. Our online simulation consisted of an Arduino base, a micro servo to imitate the movement of the brush, an LDR, a light-dependent resistor to detect any light deficiencies on the solar panel, a heat sensor to detect any extreme heat changes, and which would be sent to the AI box to send a signal.
Here, as you can see on the design, there's a cross panel. This should go cross panel across the body of the solar panel, and it's initially just a prototype. We had it designed prior to receiving the kit on late notice. So this would be like a more realistic version of what we would have made if we had the resources. But yeah, that's just the general idea.
When designing our project, we used a STEM coding kit in order to create a 3-legged robot which could freely move along a solar panel.
Now, we were able to build our model successfully. However, there were a few minor issues with this prototype which could definitely be taken to improve into the next one. For example, we need to create a higher focus on stability of the wheels in order to ensure that the robot could move at different angles, as well as a better motor cable.